Good morning, students. Today I am going to take one topic in 12th CBSE Chemistry, Unit 3 Electrochemistry, and the topic is Faraday's laws of electrolysis. You know the meaning of electrolysis. It is the phenomenon of passing electric current through the electrolyte. It is carried out in electrolytic cell. Okay. The quantitative aspects of electrolysis was first analyzed by Michael Faraday, and he gave two statements about electrolysis, which are referred as Faraday's first law and Faraday's second law. Now we can analyze first law. First law relates the amount of chemical reaction takes place at electrode and the quantity of electric current passed through the electrolyte during electrolysis. If you pass the more quantity of electric current, definitely you will get more amount of substance at electrode. So what is first law? The amount of chemical reaction takes place at electrode is directly proportional to the quantity of electric current passed through the electrolyte. M is directly proportional to Q. Q is expressed in Coulomb. 1 Coulomb is nothing but 1 ampere into 1 second. The quantity of electric current is the product of strength of current in ampere and time in seconds. Therefore, M is directly proportional to IT. I, strength of current in ampere, T, time in seconds. Now we can introduce proportionality constant. M is equal to ZIT. What's the formula for Z? M is equal to atomic mass divided by N into F, then IT. Atomic mass divided by N. N is nothing but valency or number of moles of electrons involved. F is nothing but the quantity of electric current in Faraday, which is equal to atomic mass divided by valency or number of moles of electrons transferred is nothing but equivalent mass divided by 1 Faraday is nothing but the quantity of electric current needed to deposit 1 gram equivalent of any substance. In Coulomb, it is 96,500. 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 Coulomb. Then into IT. So, mass deposited or liberated at electrode is equal to equivalent mass of substance divided by 96,500, then into IT. Using this formula, we can find mass deposited or time in seconds or strength of current I. Anyone may be asked. So, first law relates mass deposited and quantity of electric current passed. The amount of chemical reaction takes place at electrode is directly proportional to the quantity of electric current passed through the electrolyte during electrolysis. Is it clear? In the next class, we can analyze Faraday's second law. Okay? Thank you.